Imagine walking through a field of vibrant purple, the air filled with a sweet, soothing aroma. This is the world of lavender. Our journey begins thousands of years ago, where the origins of lavender can be traced back to the ancient civilizations of Egypt, Greece, and Rome. Lavender held a significant role in these societies, not just for its enchanting fragrance, but also for its diverse applications. In Egypt, it was a key ingredient in the art of perfume making and mummification. Meanwhile, the Greeks and Romans recognized lavender for its medicinal properties, using it as a remedy for various ailments. As time passed, the allure of lavender transcended borders, reaching other parts of the globe. Its cultivation blossomed in regions like Provence, France, where it thrives in the Mediterranean climate, painting the landscape with hues of purple. From the ancient sands of Egypt to the lush fields of Provence, lavender has truly stood the test of time, charming us with its alluring scent and myriad of uses. Lavender's journey doesn't stop at its delightful aroma. This versatile herb is a powerhouse of health benefits. Known for its calming and relaxing properties, lavender has become a staple in our search for tranquility in the hustle and bustle of daily life. Its soothing scent is a gentle lullaby, coaxing us into a restful slumber, and a balm for those plagued by sleep disturbances. But lavender doesn't stop at being a sleep aid. It's a natural stress buster, with its essential oil proven to reduce anxiety levels and promote a sense of calmness, making it a popular choice for aromatherapy. Its antioxidant properties are a shield, protecting our cells from damage caused by free radicals, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Lavender steps up as a nurturing ally for our skin, with its antibacterial and antifungal properties promoting clear and healthy skin. It is a gentle yet potent soldier against inflammation, and its oil, when used topically, can provide relief from minor pains and headaches. The elegance of lavender extends to our kitchen as well, with its floral notes adding a unique flavor to our dishes. Its tea or oil can aid in digestion, relieving discomfort and promoting a healthy gut. And let's not forget, the inhalation of lavender vapor may help alleviate respiratory issues, while its pleasant scent uplifts our mood and creates a positive atmosphere. Whether it's a restful night's sleep, a radiant complexion, or a calming cup of tea, lavender is there, quietly enhancing our well-being. The beauty of lavender lies not only in its vibrant blooms, but also in its ability to enhance our health and well-being. From its calming effects and sleep-promoting qualities to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, lavender is truly a gift from nature. Whether you choose to incorporate it into your skincare routine, your culinary experiments, or your relaxation practices, you're inviting a touch of elegance into your life. In the world of wellness, lavender reigns supreme, a testament to its aromatic elegance and undeniable health benefits.